Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 66 plate 435D M Sport Gran Coupe that's presented in the black sapphire metallic. Alongside that superb exterior colour, this vehicle features a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. The alloy wheels for the car we've upgraded to the 19-inch 442M BMW alloys that again we've had professionally refurbished in gloss black. Sitting behind those alloys you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. And on this Gran Coupe variant of the 4 Series, that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package, which includes a great amount of extras. On the rear windows, you'll see that sun protection glazing, again as part of that M Sport Plus package. We have added the satin side bars, the YNC Mperformance decals, and you will see on the front wings the BMW gloss black air breathers. For the interior, we've got the very special M Highlight Black Dakota leather, which for both drivers and passengers you can enjoy the heated, the electric movement and memory for driver's side. As you can see there, we've got the M3 stripe and the blue stitching throughout. That's all in really great condition. It does have the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and that's working very nicely with the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system, of course. Rear passengers, of course, we've got a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest and a darkened M Sport headlining. Before making our way round to the very rear of the car, again showing you off those fantastic gloss black 19-inch alloys. If this is your first time looking at a Gran Coupe of a 4 Series, I'll show you the automatic opening and closing tailgate in just a second. We've got a satin rear diffuser and a high gloss rear boot spoiler on this vehicle, and you'll now be able to see that tailgate in action. And then it reveals a very large boot space alongside split folding seats and removable top and bottom partial shelves. Round at the driver's side, you'll be able to again see that this is a very clean and tidy example, and that black sapphire metallic really does work very well with all of the additions we've made. It's a very nice subtle look when we do the all black exterior. As you can see there, it's a really clean, really well looked after car, and we shall hop on board as there is yet more special features awaiting us on the inside. We've got power folding mirrors, as can be seen over here. Of course, that can be controlled using the lock button on the key fob or that little button on the window switch. Starting the vehicle up, and we'll run through all of the major functions and features of that wonderful widescreen. Seeing as we're there, we'll go through not only the DAB listing that you have, we also get music collection, AUX and USB inputs. We've got Bluetooth audio and telephone. We've got a really user-friendly system in terms of the sat-nav. In just a few seconds we'll run through the service requirements. Down here is the dual climate control, along with the switches for these wonderful front heated seats. It's covered just over 13,000 miles, so again a really low mileage example. Bearing in mind it is a 2016 66 reg. There are the paddles for that wonderful 8-speed. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, again all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Going through now into the service requirement screen, and you'll see there the next service for the car is due in 7,000 miles time. The last thing to show you is this car also comes with a rear facing reversing camera alongside front and rear parking sensors. So there is a look around a fantastic 435D M Sport Gran Coupe, and a very low mileage one. I hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. If you would like some more information on this car, you can of course check out the links below in the description. There is also contact information for ourselves down there as well, so you can get directly in touch, and we will look forward to hearing from you, and most of all hopefully to see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Bye bye.